mixing is a mixture of solid iron 2 oxide, or iron 3 oxide. Iron rust. So iron 3 oxide and aluminum powder. And this was used hundreds of years ago. Maybe. Hundreds of years ago, before we had gas welding and electric welding, what they needed to do was they needed to fuse railroad rails together. Because your railroad is only good as long as your rail is one long rail. So what would happen is the engineers would go out there. What would happen is the engineers would go out there and they'd get the rail, and they'd get the rail as close as they could, and then they'd take some clay and they'd form it around where the rails came together. And into the clay, they would pour thermite. They would basically have a bag of thermite. And then they would heat it up, and when it got hot enough, the thermite would react, or release tons of energy, and create molten iron. And that molten iron would weld the rails together. And that's what we're going to do. I got a magnet here. So assuming it worked, and so far we're 1 for 1 today. Thermite doesn't always work, but assuming it works, I got a magnet here. And if I put the magnet in the iron oxide, you can see that it's basically sticking to the magnet only because it's a powder. Okay, not much else. Okay, in fact, I could just wash it off. Wash off the iron oxide, and now we got a clean magnet. I'm going to put it right here, and we're going to take this outside, and we're going to wear glasses, and we're going to go outside, and I need one fire person. Landon. Yeah, in this case, if we're going to go outside with something that goes bonkers, everybody should wear glasses. You can go ahead and go outside. You're all cool kids in my book.
We're just gonna breach into every C4, so you got one hell of a combination. My voice. Pretty much.
Is the camera on its way out too?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay. There is a doorstop somewhere around there. Kick that doorstop over here, please. Could be embarrassing if we locked ourselves out. All right. Good. There. Worked by increasing our distance from the lever arm. There we are. All right. Okay. Excuse me. Okay. Now.
You gotta melt the metal, dude. Wait, actually, I'm gonna move.
Yeah. Let's back up a little bit.
No, from over there.
And it feels like the wind's blowing that way, judging by your hair. Now, everybody think warm thoughts, because this doesn't always work. So everybody think warm thoughts.
Oh, yeah.
All right. Now that we can't see,
Hey, Krausman.
so
Did you enjoy this demonstration?
So what this is, guys, is what you see down there is molten iron. It's still glowing. Okay. So where's my firefighter?
Where's the firefighter? Where's the water? Where's the water?
Where's the? Okay, I'll use this water from last period.
Get the water.
You said you were the firefighter. You're supposed to bring out the water.
I didn't know that. Use the jug.
There we go. Okay.
Rome yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay. So magnets don't pick up rocks, but they do pick up iron. Yeah.
Wait, can't this stuff like melt rocks though?
Oh, absolutely. You can do all sorts of crazy stuff.
I'm pretty sure this stuff can melt.
So, I think we got it all. So, who wants the molten iron? Okay, Rome, you can have the molten iron. I saw your hand up first. Well, maybe he can break it in half for you.
Break it in half, Rome.
Okay, guys, let's go back inside.
Are we gonna keep that?